started off in overcast conditions today. Looks like the sun's coming out, so I might have to switch to my sunglasses soon. It's getting warmer in Japan. Today is, well, this morning it's 24 degrees. I think it will get up to about 30 today. And we are in the rainy season. In the rainy season, it either kind of pours and thunderstorms, or it kind of is really hot during the day. And then it kind of chucks it down in the afternoon. At the moment, it's kind of all the hydrangeas are blooming. So on the way back, I might go to a place called Hydrangea Park. Hydrangea means hydrangea. So I'll try and go there on the way back, or go through the jungle. I forgot to push the button. 押してください。I've come to just a small river that cuts through the middle of a bunch of rice fields, rice paddies. Like at the start of the rice planting season, this whole place gets like flooded, like up over this bridge that I'm standing on. Like the river rises all the way up, just the whole place is like a lake. It looks really nice then. It looks quite nice now when you kind of walk past the rice paddies. You can see all of the stripes. Kind of makes a nice pattern when you go by it. And over there, kind of in the background, there's a bridge. That's the railway line. So I'd like to do a painting of the kind of this scene. And hopefully if a train goes by, I can get a picture and then add the train in. Otherwise I might just imagine a train. I'd like it if it's one of the local trains, because they're orange, and I think it would really stand out in kind of all of this green. There's also like an express train that's blue, but that doesn't have the same charm as the little local orange trains. So I'm hoping that comes by. Anyway, let's get started with the picture so I don't miss the train. The book is only slightly bigger, but it is thicker. My thumb's getting tired. Got a new brush pen. Another one from Kuritake. It's got the little kind of, it's got the little flow adjuster thingy. It's just a piece of plastic with a tiny hole. This one has a smaller nib, so I'm gonna do the train first, the little orange train. I just want to use this one because it's new. Oh, nice. was a very pleasant painting. Yeah, just everything about it was nice. The sun's come out, it's not too hot. My painting came out alright, I was quite happy with it. And I saw plenty of wildlife. I even saw a hummingbird hawk moth, which is, I don't know, it's like a nostalgic thing for me. So now I'm gonna go to the Hydrangea Park. In fact, you can see just along here, all the hydrangeas are in bloom. So we've got a little bit of a way to the Hydrangea Park. It's a Sunday, so it might be busy. I've even seen the park broadcast on the local news. So let's go and find it, shall we? So this is the Hydrangea Park, and it stretches along here, along kind of, there's the train tracks kind of go off in that direction. It kind of follows the train tracks. It's sort of a long, thin garden. There's lots of other flowers as well in the middle, but the main thing is the hydrangeas. And I read or saw on the news somewhere that there are about 3,000 blooms in this park. It's really nice. Looks like they're just sort of, some of them are just going sort of into dry flower territory, but most of them are still quite nice. So let's take a look around.